guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, first of all, I don't even know why you'd be new here. I would have expected that you have already subscribed, but yeah, no judgment, but yeah, you're welcome. Kindly like, comment, and if you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe. Kindly, I'm being nice. Kindly subscribe. If you're here as usual, thank you for watching. Always like, comment, let me know what you're thinking. Let me know in the comments how you're feeling about this video. If you want anything else you want to see, let me know as well in the comments. If you have been following my Rosemary and Cloves shenanigans, then you know this is an update. Okay, this is an update. Guys, I've been using the cloves and rosemary water for, I think in the last video was 4 days, right? So this 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, today 11. So it's been 11 days and I have been judiciously using the water and the oil, but I am having some conflicting thoughts. Very conflicting. First of all, we need to do a length check. So guys, this is what my hair looks like as of now, and honestly I think the best thing about this is the fact that my scalp is super clean right now, and it's been 11 days. I haven't had a wash, nothing, and honestly look closely, like it's literally super clean. I don't have any dandruff whatsoever in my hair right now, which is absolutely crazy to me. But yeah, I absolutely love it. I think that's my favorite thing from the cloves and the rosemary as of right now. But let's do a quick length check. Length check. Okay, let me just try to detangle this a little bit. Okay, so this is where I am at as of 11 days. Okay, so like I mentioned, I am having some conflicting thoughts about the water and the oil that I made. So not really for the oil, but then for the water. I realized when I use the water, my hair becomes extremely dry, like really dry. And usually I use it in the morning and then go about my business. And then when I come back home, I take out my hair and release it, and when I try to run my fingers through, even right now, I can see some hair, which I did not expect. Okay, and I don't know, it's definitely not the oil. I don't think it's the oil. It has to be the water, because even when I am using the water, I can feel the water kind of sucking all my moisture. I don't know how to explain it, but then that's how it feels on my scalp. I don't know for other people, but that's what's happening to me. So my hair is pretty dry every time I get back home, and I don't know why that is. So yeah, I don't know what to do. Like, I don't know what to do. Or a solution to my problem. I think you might want to have a protective hairstyle in before you use the water, just so that you don't run your fingers through your hair like too much whilst you're using it, because it makes the hair extremely dry. And if you don't take care, like a lot of the growth that you have attained over the days is literally gonna be gone because it keeps coming out. I don't know if you can see, but literally some hair just came out. So yeah, it just leaves the hair really dry. So I would definitely recommend that you have some braids in or something, so that when you're using the water, you can actually see the results in a couple of days. So I am going to get some braids in. I think I'm going to do some twists, you know, and then continue with the water. I will take you to get the braids in. So see ya.